Let's walk through the Informal Caregiver Allowance calculator. In Portugal, the main informal caregiver of a dependent person can receive a monthly allowance from Social Security. The calculator checks the household means test and shows how much you would receive in 2026. First, the other adults in the household, besides you. In our example, the caregiver lives alone with the child she cares for, so we enter 0. Next, the minors in the household. The cared person is a child, so we enter 1. Then the household's gross monthly income without counting dependency benefits. Here, it's €200. Now the caregiver's own monthly income, things like pensions or rents, never wages, because the main caregiver cannot be paid for work. The same, €200. And finally, the cared person's dependency benefit. The first-degree dependency supplement is €131.20 in 2026. Instantly, the calculator checks the means test and shows the monthly allowance, €259.64, the reference value of €590.84 minus the caregiver's income and the dependency benefit. The breakdown below shows both legal steps line by line, the means test against the household limit and the deductions. And the note explains the extra €57 for caregivers enrolled in the voluntary social insurance. That's it. Change any field and the result updates live. Try it yourself at Calculadora Capital.